So good morning. Busted, no longer in Tahiti. However, I do have another 20-minute video from Tahiti for Saturday. So I thought I'd just try and carry on the theme just for today. Okay, so what we're going to be working on is a seated twisted pose. So if you're struggling just to sit down, try just rolling up a towel. And then you just pop that underneath your butt. So it just lifts the hips a little bit. So it tilts you forward. So this might be easier. But if this is a struggle, then I would suggest then you leave this video. Okay. All right. So we're just going to start with a few breaths. So bring the hands to the chest. Try and breathe in and out through the nose if you can. So maybe even feel the heartbeat with the thumbs. I'm just going to circle the arms, bring them up. Inhaling, looking up. Exhale, bring the hands down to the chest. And so inhale. And exhale down. One more inhale. And exhale. And placing your left hand to the ground, bring the right arm up. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale over to the side. Come back to center. We'll do two more. Inhale. Exhale over. And back to center. And one more. Inhale. And exhale. Now hold and breathe. Remember, nothing should hurt. And bring the arm down and round. So do the other side. So inhale, lengthen up. Exhale. Coming back to center. Inhale. And exhale. Back to center. So one more. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale. And bring the arm down and round. So if you can, we're just going to try and find a comfortable seated position. Have the fingertips to the back of the head. And just start off a gentle twist. So it might feel that you're not doing much to start with. If you stay with it, you might suddenly feel a point where the spine loosens off and you can go further, maybe faster. But listen to the body. Just do what feels good. Slow it down and bring the arms down. Alright, so I'm going to work on that seated twist. I'm going to gradually build up. So it might seem really easy to start with if you've done twist before, or you might get to a certain point where you can't go any further. So just please pay attention to how your body feels and just do what feels good for you. Alright, so we're going to take the right leg out in front. Hold on to the left knee. So just here, try and sit upright. Have the shoulders level, crown up towards the sky. And just hold there. And then with that straight leg, try and push the knee in towards the ground and the toes up towards the ceiling. Now inhale and exhale, twist towards that bent leg. Just breathe. And then come back to center. And that might be as far as you go today. So we're going to swap to the other side. So bring in the right foot in towards the thigh. Left leg straight, toes up towards the ceiling. Lengthen up through the spine, crown to the ceiling. Hugging that knee in towards the chest. We'll inhale. Exhale, twist. And come back to center. Alright, so I'm going to go a little bit further. So if that felt enough of a challenge with the leg on the same side, then stay there. Or you can bring the leg over. So we want to try and have that foot flat, toes pointing forwards. So again, just squeezing the knee in towards the chest. Inhale, exhale, twist. Keep breathing. You may go a little bit further. You might feel a good stretch along the hip there. Remember, good stretch, not pain. And a swap. So bringing that right foot in, either stay in here or take the right foot across. Inhale, exhale, twist. Keep breathing. And then carefully come back to center. Alright? A little bit further. So if we can still keep a foot there or bring the foot across. Now we're going to bring the left arm up and place it close to the bottom but just behind, so we try and keep those shoulders in line, spine upright, crown to the ceiling. Just holding there, pulling that knee into the chest. And inhale, exhale, twist. Keep breathing. And back to center, and we'll swap. So either bringing the foot in or over, bringing the right arm up, and we prop ourselves up. Keep pulling that knee into the chest. Inhale, exhale, twist, and breathe. And back to center. Alright, so another step. Remember, you can stay at your stage as long as you want to. So this is great to gauge your own progression as you carry on with your yoga. So either foot into the inner thigh or across the leg. So you can either do this easy twist, or you've got that left arm up, placed behind. Now, right arm up, bend the elbow, placed to the outside of the knee. Now, if you can't keep the elbow there, just stay hold of the knee. Alright? So what we're going to do is 3 breaths. I'm going to see if we can progress a little each time on the out breath, but do not push this. Alright? So inhale, exhale, twist through the spine, from the lower spine, the upper spine, shoulders, and then the head. So we're still breathing. You keep your head pointing away. We inhale, exhale a little bit further. Inhale, exhale. And come to the front. Do a little counter twist. We hold on to the hands and we just twist the other way. And then come back. So other side. So through your progression, so either leaving the foot there or come across the leg. Staying here or bring the right arm up, prop us up. Either keeping hold of the knee or take the left elbow to the outside of the knee. So make sure you feel comfortable here. If this is painful, then come to an easier pose. And inhale. So exhale, twist from the lower spine, the upper spine, the shoulders, and then the head. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale a little bit further. Inhale, and to the front, holding the hands so you've got a bit of tension, and then we counter twist. And come in center. Alright, now, so we're going to go through that last one again, but we're going to add in the legs a little bit more. So only if it feels good for you. So if you can, we're taking the left foot across, and then we bend the right knee. Place that right heel close to that left foot. I think I'm getting this all right because it's all mirror for me. And then use the hands, push down into the ground, and we try and even out the butt cheeks. So we're not just leaning to one side. So you've got that upright spine, crown to the ceiling. If you cannot hold here, just straighten that leg out in front again. Okay? So if you can manage this, but you can't bring the elbow to the knee, you can just keep the hands there. Or the full pose. So bringing the left hand, prop us up, right elbow to the outside of the knee. Inhale. So exhale, twist lower spine, upper spine, shoulders, then the head. And breathe. You're going to stay here. Maybe using the elbow to go a little bit further. And come center, holding on to the hands, that counter twist. Alright, other side. So you've got the right foot across if we can. And bend that left knee, the left heel towards that right butt cheek. Use the hands, push down into the ground, settle the butt, try and sit upright. If you can, bring the right arm up, place behind, left arm up, elbow to the outside of the knee. Inhale. Exhale, twist lower, upper, shoulders, then the head. And breathe. You come back, a little counter twist. And center. So we're going to go a tiny bit further. Alright, now be very careful. If you haven't got the flexibility in the shoulders or the hips, spine, then do not get frustrated if you don't get far with this. I can only do it one side, can't do both, so I'll do my best to demonstrate. We're coming out. So we've got that left foot over the right leg, bending that right knee. So setting up. Straight, left arm up, right arm up, elbow to the outside. So we'll come into the twist, and then I'll talk you through the bind. So inhale, exhale, twist, lower, upper, shoulders, then the head. Okay, a bit complicated. So we think right hand goes underneath the knee, through that gap. Left arm comes around the outside, and try and bind if we can. So you may not be able to, and do not worry about it. So you've got the chest open, shoulders in line as much as you can. Remember, if you're holding on to the breath, you're trying too hard. And then carefully coming on out, counter twist. The other side, which I can't do. I'll do my best. So right foot over, left leg bent. So prop up, crown to the ceiling. Right arm out, left elbow to the outside. Okay, so we'll go for the twist first. Inhale. Exhale, twist lower, upper, shoulders, then the head. And we'll take in the left arm through the gap. Right arm round the back. So as you can see, that's as far as I can get. So I just keep the hand on the back and open up the chest and sit upright. And breathe. And then coming back to the front, counter twist. Now what might feel good on the back after all that is just lying down, hugging the knees into the chest. So just rolling from side to side if that feels good for you. And keeping the knees center, we'll inhale, exhale, head up towards the knees, and bring the head down. Inhale and exhale, head down, one more inhale and exhale. Now keep the head up, keep breathing if you can, hands holding onto the feet, squeezing into a little ball, and then lengthen out. Squeeze all the muscles, tighten, hold on to the breath and squeeze. And release. And then carefully come on up to sit up. And we'll just take the palms up towards the ceiling as we inhale. Exhale, hands down to the ground. And we are all done. So thank you for joining me in my fake Tahiti. If you do get a chance to go to Bora Bora, I highly recommend Bloody Mary's, the best bar in Tahiti as far as I'm concerned. And if you do manage to go there, then as my publicist says, you should always make an entrance. So click on the link below to see our entrance to Bloody Mary's Bora Bora. Have a beautiful day.